video demo, we are going to learn how to enroll users in Moodle course. Before you start to enroll users, you need to enable the enrollment plugins. And to do that, you need to log in as admin. I've already logged in as admin. Click on Site Administration. Go to Plugin Section, Plugins. Then scroll down until you find Enrollment. When you click on Enrollment, it is going to take you to the general setting. If you want to access the setting one after another, you can access it here. You can go to Manage Enrollment Plugin, Cohort Sync, Guest Access, Manual Enrollment, and Self-Enrollment. But if I click on Enrollment, it is going to show all of them in one page. So I'm going to click Enrollment. At the top, you can see Enrollment Plugins. You can enable or disable them here. We are going to discuss the most used enrollment plugins, such as Manual Enrollment. This is enable. If you click on it, it will be disabled. Let me enable it once again. The Manual Enrollment enable the admin or the teacher to enroll users. We also have self-enrollment. The self-enrollment plugin also enables a user to enroll himself in a course. And we also have guest access. That means if you want to enable guests to access the course, you can also set it up. We are going to discuss the major two, which is self-enrollment and manual enrollment. Make sure it is enabled. Okay, you can see other plugins that are listed here, but we are not going to discuss about them. You can also access settings for each of them here. For example, the self-enrollment, you can also access the setting. Can also access the setting for manual enrollment. Another way of accessing it is go to the plugin section, go back to the enrollment section. You can see manual enrollment, select it. It will take you to the setting that is specific to the manual enrollment. Here you can be able to set it up. Make sure you enable it. You can see enable manual enrollment. And the default rule for the user that enroll is student. When you are done with the setting here, you can click Save Changes. Let's go back to the plugin once again. Go to the enrollment section and select self-enrollment. But before we enable self-enrollment, let's see how our course look like. Let's go back to the home. Let's select the course, teamwork and collaboration techniques. Now click on participants. You can see it is only one participant, which is the admin. The admin user is automatically enrolled in a course when creating the course. I am the admin and I have no participant apart from me. Before I enroll a user, let me show you how the content look in the user perspective. I'm going to right click and select incognito window. Open in incognito window. It opened the home page in incognito window. You can see login. Okay, if I try to access a course, it will take me to the login page. I'm going to log in as John. Enter password, click login. You can see now it is saying you cannot enroll yourself in this course. So John has logged in, but he cannot enroll himself in this course. If you click continue, it will return you to the home page. Now for John to access this course, it simply means that let me go to the admin section. I am the admin. I need to enroll John in this course. Okay, I'm going to select enroll user and now search user. I have list of users. If you have more, you are going to see them here. I select John Doe. You can select multiple users like John Smith, demo user, or any other user, but let's experiment with one. You can see student. By a default role here we set up is student. You can also change the role here by assigning the role for the user. Okay, but since we are enrolling them as a student and we select student, you can also see more options here. When you are done with the setting, you select enroll users. Do you see now John is now added in the list of the participants and now have two. the admin and John Doe. Let me go back to the John window. Here's the John section here. Let me refresh the page. Now let John try to access teamwork and collaboration technique once again. Okay, do you see now John have access to the course? John has access to the course content now. This is because the admin have manually enrolled John into the course. Okay, let me log out. Okay, John just logged out of the course now. I'm going to view the list of users I have so I can select another user. I'm going to let me go to the home, select participant so I can see all the users I have. I have demo user and the username is demo. I'm going back to the incognito window. Now let me log in as a demo user. The username is demo and the password, I'm going to enter it here and click login. Now demo has just logged in. The first time he's logging in, this guide is showing. Okay, click go, got it. Let demo try to access this teamwork and collaboration technique. Do you see you cannot enroll yourself in this course? So it simply means that the admin, I'm go back to the admin session, it simply means that the admin need to enroll the user. Okay, now let us set up self-enrollment. I'm going back to select the course teamwork. I remember I am admin. I select the course teamwork, then go to the participant. Then here you can see enroll users. I'm going to select click on enroll users. You can see enrollment methods. I click on it. You can see manual enrollment. Remember the enrollment plugins we enabled a few minutes ago. Then you can see self-enrollment. Okay, is 0 user. Here you can see it is not enabled. I have to click enable here. Okay, I just by clicking on that eye, you can see it is now enabled. You can also access setting right here. Then you can also give a custom name for it. And here you can access other setting. Just go through this setting. It is self-explanatory. Anything you need to edit here, you can just edit it. For example, keep current self-enrollment active. Yes, allow new self-enrollment. If you don't want to enable it, you just select no. If you want to allow enrollment key, you can click on it and enter the enrollment key. It is going to be in form of password. It is only person that have access to this key can be able to enroll himself or herself into the course. For example, let me enter enrollment key of 1, 2, 3, 4. This you can enter anything as enrollment key. All you need to do is to pass this enrollment key to the students or the users that you want them to enroll into the course. But if you do not enter enrollment key, any user can be able to enroll himself in the course. You can see use group enrollment key. If you have enabled a group enrollment key, you can also select yes here. Then default assigned role is student. That means when the user enroll himself into the course, automatically the user is going to be assigned the role of student. You can also access other settings which is self-explanatory. You can also enter the custom welcome message here. It is also giving you the format if you want to enter variables. Okay, these are the variables. So if you don't know about variable, you can if you want to enter the full name, you just copy this and put it inside the curly bracket. When you are done with the setting, all you need to do is to click save changes. Now we just enable self-enrollment. Let's go back to the demo window. Now this is the demo window. Let me refresh the page. Do you see now self-enrollment has been enabled and the demo user can be able to enroll himself. but he has to provide the enrollment key. Let's assume that in a real world you might have passed this key to the student or the participants, so all they need to do is to enter the enrollment key. In my own case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and click enroll me. Do you see now that the demo user has successfully enrolled himself in this course? So, and now you can be able, this because he just logged in for the first time in this course, you can see this guide here. Okay, you can click got it, and now a demo user can be able to view the content of this course because he has successfully enrolled himself. Then you can now see notification here. Have the notification, the welcome message. Remember the welcome message is now showing here. You can view all notifications. You can see the welcome message. Demo, dear demo user, you have successfully been enrolled to Teamwork and Collaboration Techniques. Okay, that is the name of the course. And this user can be able to view that course right now. Do you see how easy it is, guys, to enroll users using the manual method and also using the self-enrollment method? Okay, thank you for watching this video. In the next video demo, I'm going to show you how to allow guest access to the course. Thank you.